Last month, a Silverado owner got hit with a $4,700 repair bill. The problem started with a part that costs less than a tank of gas. He had never heard of it, never installed one. The dealer never mentioned it existed. Most Chevy owners spend money on the wrong upgrades: wheels, lights, cosmetics. Things that look good in the driveway but do nothing for the truck underneath. Meanwhile, the cheapest upgrades, the ones almost nobody talks about, are the ones preventing the biggest repair bills. Today, I am exposing 7 cheap Chevy upgrades that most owners completely ignore. Every one prevents a repair that costs hundreds or thousands of dollars. Every one is under $150, and at least 2 of them cost under $20. Let's go. Upgrade number 7. The magnetic drain plug. Your factory oil drain plug is a standard steel bolt. It drains the oil. That is all it does. A magnetic drain plug does something your factory bolt cannot. It catches the engine before the engine tells you something is wrong. Every time moving metal parts contact each other inside your Chevy engine, microscopic particles break off. Bearings shed material. The valve train generates fine metallic dust. The AFM lifters on 5.3 engines shed material as a matter of design every time they cycle. Your oil filter catches the majority of what circulates, but the finest metallic particles. The ones too small for filter media to trap keep making laps through your bearings, lifters, and cam lobes every single drive. A magnetic drain plug replaces the factory bolt with an identical thread pattern plug carrying a strong neodymium magnet on the tip. That magnet sits inside the oil pan right where oil collects before the pump returns it to the engine. Every cycle, it catches those particles before they run another lap. But here's where this upgrade becomes more valuable than any filter. It becomes a free diagnostic tool. Pull the plug before you drain at every oil change and read it. A clean magnet means healthy internals. Fine gray paste is normal wear for your mileage. Heavy accumulation of visible metallic chunks is your early warning that something is generating excess wear inside the engine, before any warning light fires and before the damage compounds into a serious repair. Catching that signal at 60,000 miles is a very different conversation from catching it at 120,000. Fumoto makes a quality unit for under $25. Generic neodymium plugs run as low as $10. Confirm the correct thread pitch for your specific engine before ordering. Wrong thread pitch means a stripped oil pan, and that is a repair nobody wants from a $10 part. $10 to $25. A free engine health report at every oil change for the life of the truck. Upgrade number 6. The Fumoto quick drain oil valve. The factory drain plug is a bolt that gets torqued in and wrestled out again every 3 months. Every removal is an opportunity to cross-thread aluminum oil pan threads. Every reinstall is another torque cycle on threads that have already been used dozens of times. Stripped oil pan threads are not rare. Shops see it regularly. Repair ranges from a helicoil insert at best to a new pan at worst, and you will not know which one until the shop has the truck apart. A Fumoto valve eliminates this risk permanently on the first install. It replaces your factory drain plug with a brass lever-operated valve that threads directly into the oil pan with no adapters and no modifications. To drain the oil, flip the lever. Oil flows cleanly without tools. No socket, no wrestling with a plug that was over-tightened at the last quick lube, and no risk of cross-threading aluminum threads that have been cycled hundreds of times over the truck's life. The lever stays closed until you open it deliberately. There is no accidental drain risk. The valve installs once and stays for the life of the truck. Confirm compatibility for your specific engine and model year before ordering. They run $35 to $50. Stripped oil pan threads on a Silverado with an aluminum pan can easily become a $300 to $700 repair, depending on the damage and the shop. The Fumoto valve eliminates that failure mode for $50 in 5 minutes on the first oil change. You pay for it once. It protects your oil pan threads for every oil change the truck ever gets after that. The next upgrade costs under $20 and protects a component most Chevy owners have never thought about until one puddle destroys it in a single drive. Upgrade number 5. The differential breather relocation. This is the most expensive $20 mistake Chevy owners make. and almost none of them know it exists until after the damage is already done. Your Silverado's rear differential has a small rubber breather nipple sitting on top of the axle housing, roughly 12 inches off the ground. Its job is to equalize pressure as gear oil heats and cools during normal driving. The differential runs hot under load. Oil expands. The breather lets pressure escape. The differential cools. Air needs to come back in. That exchange happens on every drive. Here is the problem. Drive through a deep puddle at speed. Cross standing water after a summer storm. Navigate a flooded intersection. Water reaches that breather, and because the differential is cooling and pulling air back in, it pulls water with the air. One event. One puddle deep enough. Water contaminates the gear oil. Oil emulsifies, turns milky, and loses every load-bearing property it has. The ring and pinion run without protection. Within a few thousand miles, you are looking at a differential rebuild that starts at $1,500 on a Silverado and climbs past $3,000 depending on the extent of the damage. The fix is $15 to $25 in parts and 30 minutes of work, a length of hose, a small inline breather filter, and 2 clamps. Route the hose to frame rail height where water cannot reach it. Pressure still equalizes normally through the extended hose. The differential stays sealed against water regardless of what you drive through. Do not stop at the rear. Your front differential and transfer case have breathers in identical positions at identical heights from the ground. Relocating all 3 for under $60 total protects every sealed drivetrain component from the same failure. $60. One puddle without it can cost you $4,000 in rebuilds across all 3 units. Quick pause. 3 upgrades in, and your Chevy now has a magnetic drain plug, giving you a free engine health report at every oil change, a Fumoto valve that permanently eliminates stripped oil pan threads, and differential breathers rerouted away from the puddle that would have cost $3,000 in a single drive. Hit like and subscribe right now. 4 more coming up, including the upgrade that makes the maintenance most Chevy owners skip the easiest job on the truck, and the one that protects your ball joints from failing early on any leveled Silverado. Let's keep going. Upgrade number 4. The greasable ball joints. This one is especially important if your Silverado is leveled, and a very large number of them are. The factory sealed ball joints on most Chevrolets have no grease fitting. There is no way to service them from the outside. The grease packed inside from the factory breaks down over time from heat cycles, moisture contamination, and the mechanical stress of every mile driven. Once it degrades and metal-on-metal contact begins, you get the play that produces clunking over bumps, front-end wander on the highway, and uneven tire wear that no alignment can correct. On a stock-height Silverado, factory-sealed joints typically last 80 to 120,000 miles, depending on road conditions and climate. On a leveled Silverado, that number drops significantly. A leveling kit changes the operating angle of the upper ball joint past its factory design tolerance. More angle means more stress on every rotation. Ball joint failures at 40 to 60,000 miles on leveled Silverados are well documented across forums and shop records. Greasable ball joints from Moog or similar quality manufacturers cost roughly the same as factory sealed units, $35 to $75 per joint depending on application. The difference is a zerk fitting on the housing. Every oil change, 3 pumps from a grease gun. 30 seconds. About $2 in grease. Fresh lubricant penetrates the bearing surface, moisture gets pushed out, and the joint lasts significantly longer under the same stress loads that are killing sealed units on other trucks. Ball joint replacement on a Silverado runs $150 to $350 per side at a shop. If you are replacing worn sealed joints on a leveled truck, upgrade to Greasable at the same time. With proper maintenance, you may never replace them again. 3 pumps of grease every oil change versus a $350 repair repeating every 40,000 miles on a leveled truck. Upgrade number 3. The oil catch. This upgrade applies specifically to 2000 AND 14 and newer Silverados with the Ecotech 3 5.3. If your truck predates that and uses port fuel injection, this is less critical for your application. GM switched to direct injection starting with the 2000 AND 14 model year. More efficient, more power, and one significant problem GM acknowledged in a technical service bulletin and never offered a factory solution for at the point of sale. In the older port injection 5.3, fuel flowed past the back of the intake valves on every cycle. That fuel acted as a constant cleaning agent. The engine cleaned itself, and you never had to think about it. Direct injection skips that wash entirely. Fuel goes straight into the combustion chamber and never touches the intake valves. Meanwhile, the PCV system vents crankcase, blow-by gases, back into the intake manifold, and those gases carry a fine mist of oil vapor. Without fuel wash to clean the valves, that oil mist bakes onto the valve faces on every hot cycle. Over thousands of hours of operation, thick black carbon deposits build up on the valve stems and seats. The deposits restrict airflow into the cylinders, cause rough idle, reduce power, increase fuel consumption, and can eventually trigger misfires that drive up catalytic converter load and accelerate catalyst damage. The professional fix is walnut shell blasting, where a shop removes the intake manifold and physically blasts deposits off the valve faces. It costs $400 to $600 and needs to be done every 60 to 80,000 miles for the entire life of the truck. An oil catch can installs between the PCV valve and the intake manifold and intercepts the oil mist before it reaches the valves. Quality units from Gelt or up run $150 to $250 installed. Owners who installed one early report deposit levels at 100,000 miles so minimal that walnut blasting was not needed. $200 now versus $600 every 60,000 miles for as long as you own the truck. Upgrade number 2. The heavy-duty differential cover with drain plug. This upgrade is number 2 on this list because it solves the actual reason most Chevy differentials fail. The problem is not parts quality or manufacturing. It is the factory cover design making the service so unpleasant that owners skip it. The factory cover on most Silverados is thin stamped steel with no drain plug. To change differential fluid, you unbolt the entire cover. Let gear oil pour from all sides. Scrape the old gasket off the housing face, apply new sealant, and bolt everything back together. 45 minutes, a mess, and a new gasket every time. Because that job is genuinely unpleasant, most owners skip it. Differential fluid sitting for 100,000 miles stops protecting the ring and pinion and carrier bearings long before that interval ends. Contaminated, thermally degraded gear oil is what kills differentials, not part failure. A rear differential rebuild on a Silverado starts at $1,500 and runs well past $3,000 on newer trucks. An aftermarket heavy-duty differential cover with a drain plug costs $80 to $150. Quality units from Mag High-Tech or similar manufacturers hold 30 to 50% more fluid than the factory cover, giving the differential additional thermal mass and a larger heat buffer before temperatures climb under towing load. External cooling fins dissipate heat passively on every drive, and the drain plug converts the service from a 45-minute mess into a 5-minute fluid swap. Remove the drain plug, drain it clean, fill it, done. No gasket, no mess. No reason to skip it at the next service interval. Most covers also include a magnetic drain plug on the same principle as upgrade number 7 applied directly to your differential fluid. Every service you get a visual health report on how the differential is wearing internally. $80 to $150 versus $1,500 to $3,000 for the rebuild that skipped maintenance eventually causes. Upgrade number 1. The LED interior bulb swap number 1 on this list is the cheapest upgrade and the one you will notice most immediately every single time you use the truck. $25 to $40 in 20 minutes. The factory incandescent bulbs in a Silverado, Tahoe, or Suburban produce dim yellowish light that makes reading anything in the cab at night genuinely difficult. A work order. A phone number on a piece of paper. A map. The kind of reading working truck owners do regularly. LED replacements produce crisp white light at around 6,000 Kelvin that transforms every position in the interior. Dome light, map lights, stepwell lights, cargo bed light. Every one dramatically brighter and noticeably cleaner looking. On a work truck, the practical difference is felt immediately. Factory incandescent bulbs draw current the whole time they are lit. LEDs draw roughly 1/15 the power. If you do paperwork in the cab with the engine off, that difference matters to your battery, especially in winter when cold batteries are already under more load. Quality LEDs are rated for 30 to 50,000 hours of operation. You will replace the truck before you replace the bulbs. Installation on most Silverado, Tahoe, and Suburban models is a simple twist or push with no tools required. Fitment varies by year and trim. Brands like Precision LED make model-specific kits that list exactly which bulb fits which socket for your specific configuration. Under $40 for the full interior. Most Chevy owners have been living with dim yellowish cab lights since the day they drove off the lot and never realized it was a $25 fix. The moment you flip the dome light on after doing this swap, you will understand why it leads the list. 7 upgrades. All of them ignored by most Chevy owners. All of them cheaper than the single repair any one of them helps prevent. Magnetic drain plug. Fumoto valve. Differential breather relocation. Greasable ball joints. Oil catch can. Heavy-duty differential cover. LED interior swap. Everyone available right now, before the repair bill arrives. Hit like and subscribe, drop your year and which upgrade you are installing first in the comments. I will see you in the next one.